you might notice that there isn't much contrast between the text and the background image, which makes the text a little bit hard to read. What we could do is we could probably darken the image behind here, but how do we do that? The easy way to do that is to use Google Photos. If you go to photos.google.com, and I'm assuming that you have a Google account, log in, and you could upload that image, this one. Then, once uploaded, I could actually edit this image. I could play around with the image to reduce the lighting, such as this. If you click on this arrow here, you could go ahead and play with the lighting for this image even more. You could adjust the vignette of this image by pulling this lever here. You could also adjust the color. Now I'm just going to click done, and I'm gonna download this image. Return to Customizer, remove this image, and select that new image I just downloaded. Here. Save it and preview it. Just wait for a second. There you have it. Now the text is clearer